Good morning, students of class 10. Today I am going to explain you operators in Java, Unit 4. In this chapter, we will study about operators. What is operators? Operators are symbols and signs like plus, minus, equal to. These are operators. So in this chapter, we have to understand operators. So first, try to understand expression and statements. So what is the distinguish between state expression and statements? So this you can say is an expression. A into B plus 8 is an expression, and if you are having equal to sign, then this is called statement, and m equal to a into b plus 8. So understood? Here statements, m is operand and this is assignment operator, and this is a is operand, into is operators, b is operand, plus is operator, and 8 is operand. So we have to understand mathematical expression and Java expression. So we have to understand the difference between mathematical expression and Java expression. So these are the mathematical expressions. So how we will write 22 by 7 r square? Here 22, and this symbol you will get in the keyboard, 7, and close this in a small bracket, into symbol r into r, because there is no facility available in the keyboard to write r square. Next, a plus b to the whole square divided by a minus b. So how we will write this? A plus b into a plus b divided by a minus b. Like this, many mathematical operators are given. We can solve all these operators, mathematical expression, and if you have more mathematical expression, so you can try to translate it into Java expression. So we have to understand type of operators. So we have first arithmetical operators. So what is arithmetical operators? Plus, minus, these are the mathematical operators. Mathematical operators are unary operators, binary operators, and ternary operators. So first unary operators, we use mathematical operator that operates on a single operand is known as unary operators. So plus, for example, a equal to 4, then plus a will result 4, and a equal to minus 9, then plus a equal to minus 9. Okay, minus sign, minus is called minus sign. So same as a equal to 6 minus a equal to minus 6, a equal to minus 3, then a equal to minus a equal to 3. Increment and decrement operator. So plus operator, plus plus sign, increase value one step, increase value, and minus minus decrease value one step. We have to understand this, and we use this plus plus and minus minus operator in prefix, both as a prefix and postfix. So first we will see plus plus increment operator as a prefix and postfix.